So it's the middle of the night and she had to go potty. So we're out in the snow and she's running through the snow for the first time. And I have no idea if she's gonna go potty or not. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that yellow snow. Okay, Daisy, girlfriend. It can be so cold. Oh, I just kicked her. She loves it. Do you love the snows? Do you love the snows? Come on, come here. Teaser, teaser. Come on, come on, come on. So I'm definitely not showing my face, but I have Daisy all bundled up. She's about to see the snow for the first time in the daylight. And I think she'll love it. Here we go. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's still snowing. Hold on. Good girl. Good girl. Wow, I didn't know it'd still be snowing today. Wow. Girl peepees. Come here. Come here. Hello. She's gonna be so cold when we get inside. She just loves like running through it. Hello. Oh, Daisy. Oh, it's deep over here. Go poopies. Good girl. Are you go poopies? What are you doing?
I like you.
That's not straight.
We have to literally redo it. Do we smile at the camera? Turn it off.
Turn out. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You guys are the worst. Again.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Daisy, you're heavy for 7 pounds.
I think we got it. Okay. Daisy, blow it out.
She's at a rave right now. She can't talk. Okay, so I just wanted to document this experience. We're taking Daisy on her first trip into the city, and you don't want to be in it?
Oh, I didn't know that's how it was.
And we're also taking her to see the Christmas tree in Rockefeller Center for the first time, and that's a little tradition that me and Zach have. So I just wanted to document that because it's really special and sweet, and one day we'll do this with our kids and Daisy. So anyway, ready? Look how cute, little snowmen. Come on, go get Daddy. Go get him. Go get him. So pretty. I know. Not too sure what's happening. Someone's having band practice. Come on.
Daisy.
She's just nosy.
She was a kid.
Daisy's into big cities. Where's Daddy? Look it. Look at Mama. Look. Cute. Doggy's first time in Herald Square. Easy. Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. Oh. Is this still green?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Come on. Oh, look. There's a dog right there. Like, no. Caesar, you're at the market. Yeah. She's so dirty. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. I got pretty.
Daisy, look, it's a little bigger than one. You dirty?
It's funny, no, it's good late night on Sunday.
Sure.
Hey, you get the Radio City.
Daisy! Daisy.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
We're waiting outside of Rockefeller Center and the Rainbow Room, observation deck, all that, to go see the tree because of social distancing. They're only letting a certain amount of people in at a time, which is really smart. So we're waiting, and Daisy's in my coat because she was cold.
She's so dirty.
Yep, your reaction, Daisy.
Daisy.
Oh.
Look, Daisy.
Look, it's the tree. Look. Look it.
Sorry.
All right, let's go, Daisy. How do we leave? Go that way? Look at the tree. Oh, the exit's right there. See it? Yeah, was it the tree, Daisy? Was that the tree? There's the tree. Do we see the tree, Daisy? Do we see the tree? 20 and bubbles. Oh, the American Girl doll store. Look at all the sweat. Okay. It's so beautiful.
Hi, little Daisy.
From the side, she looks really funny. Oh my god, the lions are wearing oversized masks. That is so cute. That's the most 2020 thing. That is so funny. Black Lives Matter, baby.
You know it.
They're so funny. 33rd.
Daisy. Wait.
She doesn't even care. Yeah, of course. I will. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me?
Well, because I figured it like at this point.
This is why I don't think you would tell me if I had something in my teeth or not.
No, I would. It's different.
No, it's not.
On our way home from it, I feel like at this point anything.
No.
Just surviving.
Oh my god. You're so mean to me.
I should have told you. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, anyway. We're waiting for a train back to Jersey City. Wait, where is it? Hello? There it is.
To Journal Square. Making stops at Street, Christopher Street, Hoboken, Newport, Grove Street, and Journal Square. The next stop is 23rd Street.
I just haven't put it on yet. Yeah.
Oh, you're going behind us.
I'm out of breath.
Other way.
This way? Oh, okay. So, we're back in Jersey. And Zach's ordering Chipotle for us now. So that when we get home, we won't have to wait much longer. And that's the update.
Oh, did you pee or just wet? Are you alright?
So it's much later. I look crazy. I'm only wearing my bra, which is why I'm not really showing the rest of me, because I just bathed Daisy, and you can't do that with a shirt on, otherwise you'll be soaked. So so I have my shirt off, and she was just so dirty in the city. I'm sure you could like tell. So I have her like curled up in this blanket right here, and she just got bathed. I scrubbed her head to toe. And after she's dried a little bit, I'm gonna start brushing her and brush her out, and she'll look so much better. But yeah, she just really needed a bath. And even though I literally just got home maybe like 15 minutes ago, I was like, okay, unpack a few things, put a few things down, bathe her, and then we'll settle down for the night. So thank you guys for watching. I know that this is gonna be a really quick video. I know this is going to be a really quick video, but I just really wanted to document Daisy's first day in the city and her visiting the tree for the first time. And this is Zach and I's 4th time going into the city for Christmas and visiting the tree. So it was really special that we got to do it again this year, even though Corona. And as you saw, we did it as safe as possible. And we got to do it with our little puppy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. Good night. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.